create a Sanskrit game for a long time. Don't ask me why. But I have carried this idea in my head for years. I love board games and I have been hooked on to board games for many years now. My family members are equal enthusiasts in this process. And the joy of playing board games morphed into the idea of creating a board game. And in a way, I have been obsessed with the idea of creating an Indian board game. I have been lucky to find allies in the process. First, with Tapan from Thoughtpot Designs Mumbai, and now the Sattva team. Without Sattva, this exercise would not have been possible. We have had working sessions, testing sessions, and numerous brainstorming sessions to get to this stage. I started learning Sanskrit in 2017 from Dr. Swaroop. At that time, I told him my objective is to learn Sanskrit and make a game based on Sanskrit while I learned the language. The game idea stayed with me. And Toykathon, an interministerial initiative by the Government of India, happened. I put in an entry. And guess what? We made it to the next round with the concept. At the time of submission though, I only had a vague idea in my head. I was not entirely clear how the game will work. When we made it to the final, that created a sense of urgency in all of us. It is fair to say it took a lot of iterations to get it right.
We were new to games. It took a while to understand what Neil was driving at. We got feedback that there is cognitive load, and one of the participants said, "You are making me think so much." So we had to rework on simplifying it while at the same time not losing the magic of keeping it challenging and interesting.
In the meantime, as a Samskrita teacher, I liked the ideas that Neil brought, but at the same time, some of them were impractical. Sanskrit is too vast to be encapsulated in a single set of 210 cards, and that is why the game is split into levels. What we have launched is level 1 that takes people through the basic Sanskrit in a fun manner.
The game development was not easy. It took us many edits, corrections, checking, rechecking before we got it anywhere close to what it is now. So, it was almost 6 months of hard work. We cannot afford to make mistakes in a project like this. So, we spent hours getting every little thing right.
On edits, I think our illustrator will have much to say. A few months ago, a respected Sanskrit scholar had put out a tweet saying, "Why does Sanskrit have to be taught in a particular manner? Why not come up with interactive methods and approaches? Deva Bhasha is a unique, exciting and inspiring way of getting people to connect with Sanskrit. The traditional approach of grammar first is often overwhelming and I have faced it. This approach of the game is language first. Enjoy the language, play with it, make mistakes, have fun in a group, and then when you actually learn the language in depth, you will find it easy." Think of how a child learns. A child does not start learning the language with grammar. Grammar comes later. Communication comes first.
In the same way, in Sanskritam, if an individual has to enjoy the beauty of the language, the individual has to wander, look around. And that is what the game enables. I can say with confidence, I am a Samskrita teacher. More than that, I am a Sanskritam enthusiast. It covers a lot of things that you learn in level 1 and does it in an amazingly engaging manner.
We have been playtesting this with different audience, and yes, it has certain degree of complexity to it, but every single time when we have played this with people, they have fun. They are playing, competing, interacting. At the same time, they are also learning the language. And suddenly, the fear of language goes away. And they think, yes, I too can learn the language. And that is what we want.
I totally agree with that. But why should you buy this game? If you have ever thought of learning Sanskrita and gave up either before you started or after you started, that's one reason. If you want to introduce this beautiful language to people around you, or if you want to find the easiest way to make this language accessible to any Sanskrit enthusiast anywhere on this planet, Deva Bhasha is definitely a game for you.
The game is richly illustrated by Harsh Pandya, and many of the aspects of the design are a direct result of working with Tapan Deshpande, both from Mumbai.
How does one design something that is truly Indian? 108% Indian. Dev Bhasha is one such unique collaboration. The game design brought together all its elements, from the size, the colors, the visual style, a fine balance between the text and graphic, into a design language to bring alive the essence it intended to convey. The process was very interesting, and the real challenge was to make it exciting, engaging, and keep the mind curious to knowing Sanskrit, the foundation of all languages.
Illustrating for Dev Bhasha has been quite a journey. To illustrate something that does not have a form was quite a unique challenge. So, of course, there were a lot of iterations and changes and back and forths and corrections and whatnot, but in the end, we did manage to come up with something that suited our vision and our style and how we want the people to experience the entire game of learning Sanskrit while playing. And albeit I also kind of figured out a few words, and I used to question them based on the visuals that I had made, and which was an important contribution, I think, as an illustrator.
And of course, while we are a small team at Culture, we've also had our silent supporters throughout.
We plan to launch an international version if this works well. And yes, we do intend to create more levels of this game and even a training course based on this method. We even validated our approach with a few scholars like Dr. Arvind Bhatt, Dr. Vasudeva Aitad, Dr. Vishwanath MB, and Dr. Tilak Rao, who have been very kind enough to support and validate the method and the grammatical accuracy of it.
Try Deva Bhasha. It is a card game that uses Sanskrit. It uses a creative blend of game mechanics and Sanskrit grammar, and it is truly an indigenous creation of India. A truly original card game. Try Deva Bhasha. You won't be disappointed.